Okay, it is October 5th, 2010. This is Lorraine Grinage. Go ahead, Lorraine.
Hi, my name is Lorraine Grinage. I'm mother of Ezekiel Kyle Brown, born September 22nd, 2006. I'm also mother of Roxanne Brown, born July 22nd, 2008. My two children were kidnapped from me, abducted by their abusive, drug-addicted father on March 8th. I have not seen or heard from my children in months. I've been unable to acquire the cooperation of the City of Philadelphia, family courts, and police department.
Tell them what you found out in your own private investigation.
Through my own efforts, I was made aware that Erick Brown is still actively using. Erick Brown is living comfortably in the City of Philadelphia, where he has committed several crimes, along with Saundra Sullivan, who has also committed those crimes with him. I'm offended and I'm appalled that this is being allowed to take place.
President Judge Marsha Mayfield did on July 12, 2010, issue a referral to the District Attorney's Office to arrest Erick L. Brown for the June 8, 2010 public mob assault, aggravated assault beatings of Willie Brownson, Ezekiel and Ariel's grandfather, witnessed by over 50 people. And District Attorney R. Seth Williams is being asked in an open letter to the President and Eric Holder on 9/24 exactly why is it that the nepotism corruption in the Philadelphia District Attorney's private criminal complaint office is so severe that all you have to do is have friends and family who work in the District Attorney's office and no arrests occur for public mob assault, child endangerment, child abuse, and child abduction. Erick L. Brown is in contempt of the existing temporary custody order, and he is known to have joined with Saundra Sullivan on December 13, 2009, recorded beating and bragging about beating Ezekiel and Ariel Brown. There is a federal case for which they have moved. U.S. Marshals have returned proof of service saying they have fled the house on July 1 at 972 Anchor Street to avoid service of summons. Lorraine Grinage versus Saundra Sullivan, aggravated assaults on minors while in the commission of Social Security, disability fraud, and bigamy, perjury, card theft, insurance fraud, and other fraud crimes. Go ahead, Lorraine. Lorraine is joining her voice in with the other federal crime victim voters who are now a voting constituency who are demanding accountability for our elected officials as to how our constitutional, state constitutional, and U.S. constitutional laws are enforced in our city.
I intend to fully fight this until Erick Brown and Saundra Sullivan are arrested and my children are
safely returned.
Hopefully safely returned to me, their mother, Lorraine Grinage.
We have a private investigation where the community members are calling in information where Ezekiel and Ariel Brown are being left in after-hours spots, get-high parties, what else do they call them, speakeasies, that people are entering, coming and going with tasers. Diane Kearney has already been observed to be hosting get-high parties where the children are abused and beat on by the various people who come there. R. Seth Williams, Philadelphia District Attorney, you are hereby demanded on behalf of no less than 42 families who have documented corruption in the Philadelphia District Attorney's office to issue arrest warrants, fine Erick L. Brown and Saundra Sullivan. God bless you. Go ahead, Lorraine.
Take care, okay? All right.
There's no way to be compensated or the loss of my children is very devastating.
Okay, we'll wrap it up here. We're going to get this produced, and we are going to be in front of the District Attorney's Office on Monday with a hand-delivered statement showing that we acted lawfully and reported these crimes to detectives with another request to please act on President Judge Marcia Nayfield's referral to issue warrant for the arrest of Erick Lee Brown, born on 04/13/1978, and Saundra Sullivan, formerly of 972 Anchor Street, Philadelphia, PA, born on October 5th, 1969. God bless everyone. Much love, much respect. This is Roxanne.grinage, HireLyrics.org.
Love and respect, everyone. This is Roxanne Grinage. I'm your host today for HireLyrics is Born to Serve on Blog Talk Radio, where we try to meet every Sunday at 11 a.m. to share administrative solutions for market entering challenges for the previously unseen, unaccommodated, worldwide population of disadvantaged creators. A new civil rights movement is underway in these United States, which is not characterized by race or even class. The arsenal gear package of the winning force will include internet technologies, collaboration, and dignity for the human spirit. Intelligence gathering will measure two-way accountability, work ethic, synergy, and intent. The winning American family will leverage personal accountability upon U.S. citizens' public docket database, measured/exposed court and Department of Human Services serial criminals bearing titles of judge, esquire, evaluator, social worker, procurement office, Department of Economic Security, Title IV funded, foster and adoption contractor, provider, etc. In this new civil rights movement, which is underway in America and which records for history CPS corruption and government fighting soldiers emerging from the ranks of middle class, working poor, technology, protector fathers, mothers, grandparents, healthcare, university students, entrepreneurial and MBA communities, collaborating strategies for slowing and stopping U.S. citizens' public docket database recorded, child slaughter, U.S. economy fraud, court reform, state of emergency. Families employed in law enforcement walk a tightrope balancing act, challenged to reconcile work ethic, professionalism, and the need to comply with their employers' official procedures and policies and their personal political, religious, and moral convictions to treat their fellow human brothers or sisters with dignity and respect in the midst of the tumultuous upheaval caused by CPS corruption and government fighting soldier families, saying, as Rosa Parks did so many years ago to set off another civil rights movement, no more. We now say, no more court-ordered abuse of our children. No more kidnap for profit. No more human trafficking of our children, while wealthy court and DHS positioned abusers of the immunity language in 1983 Civil Rights Act keep their children safe, educate their children, and grow fatter and engorged on the stolen vested interests and careers of Philadelphia's working class families. Much love, much respect. This is Roxanne Grinage.